Act 2 presents Myths About Microwave Popcorn. It is believed that the butter flavor of all microwave popcorn brands contains diacetyl, a harmful chemical normally used for artificial butter flavoring. The Act 2 Truths. Our flavor experts have formulated the diacetyl-free Butter Lovers flavor to make it an absolutely safe and enjoyable snack. So, your favorite hot and fresh Act 2 Butter Lovers popcorn is a safe and tasty snack. Pop your bag now.